Hey, what up, YouTube? How you live? How you living? If you're looking for easy income, passive income, money that you can get through the stock market that will allow you to just sit back and relax and just get paid every month and every quarter while you do absolutely nothing, if you are able to do this right here, that's all you gotta do to take advantage and get this extra money in your account. If this interests you, stay tuned, man. Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. If this is the first time that you're coming to this channel, first of all, I want to thank you guys for showing up and taking the time. Secondly, I want to ask that you please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. That way, when the next hot video comes your way, you won't miss it, man. Listen to this. Are you guys looking for a relatively inexpensive investment vehicle that you can purchase, put in your portfolio, leave it alone? You don't have to babysit it and check on it every day. Anybody got time for that? That you can just put this investment vehicle in your portfolio, leave it alone, and do absolutely nothing and have another source of income headed to your portfolio while you just sit back and relax. If you looking for something like that, I got something for you, man. On your screen, this investment vehicle that I'm talking about goes by the name of a closed-end fund. Now, those of you that are not new to this channel have heard me talking about closed-end funds in the past. I really like closed-end funds because they're safe, secure, and reliable, and you don't have to babysit them so much. They don't really move up and move down real fast like the stock market. These right here bring a lot of stability and extra income to your trade account or to your own self-directed IRA account, which I always suggest you guys do. But for those that don't know, a closed-end fund is a portfolio of pooled assets that raises a fixed amount of capital through an initial public offering, which is known as an IPO, and then lists shares for trade on the stock exchange. Like a mutual fund, a closed-end fund has a professional manager overseeing the portfolio and actively buying and selling assets. Now that is key. A lot of you guys have your 401ks run by the job that you work at. Now there's nothing wrong with that as long as they matching your contributions, because that's free money, so I don't have no problem with that. But the problem I got with a lot of company sponsored 401ks is this. Ain't nobody watching your money, man. I'm gonna be straight with you, straight from the shoulder like a jab. When you have your money in a company sponsored 401k plan, ain't nothing wrong with it if you don't have anything else set up. By all means, if they matching your contributions as free money, take advantage of that. But other than that, there's nobody that's watching your money. In other words, when you get hired, you fill out that little form and they tell you, hey, how much percent do you want to have go to your 401k plan? You just guess and take the lowest percent like we all do. Oh, let me take 3. So every time you get a check, they pull money out of your check and they put it into your 401k plan. And after that, that's it. Nobody's watching it. Nobody's paying attention to the movements of the companies and the stocks that are in that mutual fund in your 401k. If it goes up, good. If it goes down, it don't matter to that company anyway. It doesn't matter because they're going to get expense ratios and fees every month. And then you paying that, regardless of whether your money go up, down, or stay the same. do it yourself if at all possible. Self-directed IRA account. And people say, I don't know what to put in that account. I'm showing you what to put into it right now. I got 2 of them that you can put into your own self-directed IRA account. By the way, like I always say, I am not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So anything you hear on this channel or any other channel, make sure you do your own due diligence and research. But back to what I was saying. I got 2 closed-end funds to show you guys today, and neither one of them are real expensive. They don't take any special skills. All you have to do is be willing enough to make the purchase in your brokerage account, and then after that, that's all you do. Sit back and let that income stream work for you. But the first one of the closed-end funds I want to talk to you guys about goes by the name of PIMCO Income Strategy Fund. Now, this stock is trading at only $12 per share. And check this out. It pays a 9% dividend. I'm going to say that again. A 9% dividend. And check this out. Not only is it paying you 9% a year, but it pays you a dividend monthly payment. Monthly payment goes right into your account every single month. PIMCO Income Strategy Fund coming in at only $12 a share, man. Think about it. That's not a whole lot of money. Now, this is a reliable dividend. It's been paid for the past 10 years. I'm going to say this again. This dividend payment is reliable. It has been paid each and every month, month in and month out for the past 10 years. A monthly income stream of money that could be going to you. Now, this one right here, personally, I just bought this and put in my self-directed IRA account just last week. So this is brand new, and I'm going to share that, guys, right now with you. Once again, if you get a closed-end fund, you don't have to babysit it. Because I hear a lot of times people say, well, man, I don't have time to just watch it every day. With one of these, the movements up and down are not drastic like within the regular stock market. So it's gradual. So you could check it once a month, once every 2 months. And if you know how to read a basic stock chart, like I always suggest you guys learn, if not, I got a video how to read a stock chart. Might even put a link at the description in this video. Check that video out as well and learn how to read a stock chart, because a stock chart will save you a lot of pain, heartache, and a lot of money. So right here, I'm giving you a dividend paying stock on a monthly basis. This company pays a 9% dividend. And by the way, I almost forgot. I always want to suggest to you guys, in your trade account, when you have a dividend paying stock, always set your trade account up to reinvest your dividend payment automatically. It's called a DRIP, a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. I always recommend that because this right here pays a monthly dividend, and that dividend can be reinvested for fractional shares every single month. And the power of compound interest, it works wonders in your account. You could buy 100 shares today, and then over the course of 10 years, who knows, you might have 400 or 500 shares with the dividend being reinvested, because it's like your shares of stocks are having babies. That's right, I said it. Your shares of stock are having babies because that dividend is being reinvested and you're adding fractional shares. So you may only make one purchase, but over time, those shares grow and they turn into more additional shares. So check out PIMCO Income Strategy Fund, ticker symbol PFL. I got it last week, man, and I think if you're really looking for some easy money, easy income, some lazy money, money where you don't have to do anything. Get that lazy money and pick up you some shares of Penco Income Strategy Fund. Second closed-end fund I got for you guys goes by the name of TCGBDC Incorporated. That's a lot of letters, ain't it? TCGBDC Incorporated. TCGBDC Incorporated. Coming in at $13.80 per share. This is a closed-end fund as well, paying a dividend of almost 9.3% per year. Dividend coming in at 9.3%. Now this one pays quarterly, not monthly like the other one. This one pays quarterly dividend payments to you. And these right here are made once every 3 months. The money goes into your account, or like I always suggest, if it's an IRA, hopefully self-directed IRA, that you enroll in a DRIP plan, DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. That way every quarter those fractional shares will show up in your account, and they'll keep stacking, growing, and keep having babies. That way your shares will grow. So TCG BDC Incorporated, I don't know why they got so many letters, but the ticker symbol is CGBD. Once again, the dividend is 9.3% paid quarterly. Now, this right here is a finance company that makes mortgage loans and also business loans. Once again, this is a finance company, closed-end fund that make mortgage loans and also business loans. Now, this one right here, I'll be honest with you, this one carries a little bit more risk than the first one, simply because this company's been around since 2012. And that's not brand new, but being that this company hasn't been around for 20 years yet, this carries a little bit more risk. But looking at this stock chart right here, always go to the bottom. And I see right here in November, got this big green spike of volume, high volume influx. That let me know that money managers, millionaires, billionaire investors are interested in this fund, TCGBDC Incorporated. So they came in hot with a lot of buying pressure right here, November of last year. Same thing, December of last year. So when you see these big green volume spikes, that means that it's a lot of money that's coming into this company. Now, being that this company has been around since 2012, it's a little bit more risk involved. But looking at these volume spikes right here, last year in August, last year in September, last year in November, last year in December, these huge volume spikes came in. So I'm thinking, I could be wrong, but what I think is, it's going up. It's going up. Right now, the price is $13.80 per share. Now, I'll be honest with you. In a year's time, in a year from now, I don't believe that this is going to be $13 in anything. Because looking at this stock chart, it's in a definite uptrend. And the way this thing is consolidating and bouncing between this purple line, which is level of resistance, goes down to this blue or cyan color line. I don't have my glasses, but to this line right here, look blue to me, comes down and then it bounces off, goes up, hits more resistance, comes down, and it seems like as long as this thing doesn't fall too far out of this channel, and looking at this long leg right here on this candlestick, that lets me know that this area right here at about $12.25, it seems to be holding strong. In other words, when it dropped to that level, they immediately bought shares of this company stock up to collect that dividend. and push the price higher, and I expect in the future the same thing from here on out. It seems like to me, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's going up. So do yourself a favor, man. Collect some of this easy money, some of this lazy money that you can put in your trade account, hopefully self-directed IRA account, and collect this monthly, and in this case, this quarterly income right in your trade account. Two of them. This one goes by the name of all these letters that I called out to you before. T, C, G, B, D, C Incorporated. Coming in at $13.80 a share with a 9.3% dividend. That's one closed-end fund. The first one, once again, goes by the name of PIMCO Income Strategy Fund, coming in at $12 per share. And this also has a 9% dividend payment that's paid monthly. So get this easy money, this lazy money, and holler at your boy later. Peace.